In our last video for section 5.3, we're going to look at one more application to the fundamental theorem of calculus. So many times on the AP exam, you'll be asked to interpret answers, not only to compute them, but to understand what the units mean and how that applies to the problem that's being presented to you. So let's look at an example here. We have that C of T is the daily cost of heating your house in dollars per day, and T equals 0 corresponds to January the 1st. Using correct units, interpret each of the following. So, first of all, we have just an integral from 0 to 9 of C of T dt. Well, remember that C of T is in dollars per day, and our time is being measured in days. So we know that just from our discussion already of the fundamental theorem of calculus and our idea of integrals, that the units for this is going to be dollars. So now, using the fact that T equals 0 corresponds to January the 1st, we now know that this is going to be the total cost, because you are accumulating. So it's going to be the total cost of heating your house from January 1st through 90 days after that. Now, if we assume that each month has 30 days, then you're talking about through the end of March. If you want to be more specific, you need to calculate exactly 90 days from January 1st, and you need to know if this was a leap year, but we'll just go that it's from January 1st for the first 90 days. Now, if we look at our second example, we have the same thing, but then we have this 1 over 90 in the front. Well, we already know that the units for this is dollars, and the 90 corresponded to days, so that would be the units of the 1 over 90 would be days. So then the units for the answer to our problem would be dollars per day. And remember that this looks like our average value problem. So this computation would actually be the average cost of heating your house for one day beginning on January 1st and through the next 90 days. So that is your average dollars per day to heat your house.